Okay, this is all pretty easy to do. You know, you just get the intake off. It's nothing. A 10mm bolt, and then a pair of channel locks, or not channel, yeah, channel locks. A big set. And then the rest of it, I took the battery out. I don't know. It might come out, I don't know. Guys say that this thing will swing around, but I'm just not seeing that happening. I was thinking about taking this radiator out right here and taking the condenser out as well. And just make a straight pull, straight from the front of the truck. I don't know. I ain't very far into it. I shipped 10 minutes and 2 beers. There you go. But happy holidays to you. This is what I'm working on. And then I'll go do something Monday and spend more money. But there you go. The next objective is I'm going to take and drain the water on it. I got 2 buckets for that. It'd be easier if I took the fan out first, because then I can get to everything. I can get this right here. This hose is sort of weird. I'll have to explain it to you. This one right there, the way it connects, it's just got a C-clamp. It's not a C-clamp. It's like a big giant snap ring that holds it on. I'm gonna take the intake manifold off, this all the way across, all in one piece if I can get it out of there. That way I can really get to looking around at this motor. Alternator will come off, all that, then get to the heads, take the whole belt and all this shit off. Yay. So we got 14s, 15s, 13s, everything you can possibly think of. Drain oil, and well, I got more valve covers, so I'm not worried about them bolts anymore. Shit, they want $7 a bolt. There you go. This is what I'm faced with. I'm gonna pull the motor. I got a rebuild kit coming. I'm gonna chance it and go with just standard, because that's a pretty tight motor. It was anyway. We'll see.